how to add a video background to Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a video and put it as a background just like this. So you can visualize into this section that we are going to have this video as a background video, not an image. Basically in here, we cannot insert any video from here as the menu says. It is going to be locked to images only. So basically it is not going to be a big problem, but we are going to need some of the adjustment. So that means that we are going to convert the video into a GIF. How we can do that, it is going to be very simple. I'm going to show you one of the free methods that you're going to find out there, which is going to be consisting of using Canva. So Canva is going to be a design tool that is going to be completely for free. You're going to get some premium features, but the free one are going to be sufficient. So here, as you can see, we're going to be on Canva. We're going to have the video. So from these, as you can see, elements, I'm going to choose video. And then we're going basically to have to choose one of the formats that we are going to be here seen available. So I can go ahead and use a video landscape of 1920 by 1080 like this. This is the right format. Now what can we do from this format is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and insert our video by uploading the video that we want to add. For example, this is the video that I want to implement into this specific area. Now for the video to show up or to be adequate to our format, we need to mute that video. Basically, if you're going to have the video implemented into Google Sites, it is not going to be talkative or it is going to be without audio. So once you have set that, as you can see, we're going to have everything in order. So I'm going to make this specific place in order here, like that. Now I'm going to click on the share button, click on download, and we're going to choose from the file types GIF, like this, short clips, no sound. Click on download, wait for the file to be treated, and you're going to get your GIF file. So I have did that specific step before, so I'm not going to wait for it. And we're going to head over Google Sites. So basically, in the normal circumstances, you're going to find a standard image like this. For example, I'm going to insert this. Now, this is the image. Now, I'm going to have the themes, for example, set up as simple. So I can go ahead and have, for example, the transparent one set up. Or I can have something else like this put on here. Now, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. So we're going to head over the image, click, upload, and we're going to have the GIF format. Basically, the GIF format is going to be a type of image or a dynamic image. We're going to click on open or upload, and as you can see, we're going to have the video as the GIF format said, and it is going to be here. So it is going to be automatically running, and this is going to be true. You cannot adjust it, and you need to be satisfying yourself with it. So make sure that you're going to put the right video with the right hook and also with the right designing colors. Because once the video is going to be starting, or it is going to load up the specific page in here, it is not going to be stopped, or it is not going to be having a break. So it is going to be on a recurring basis. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.